our channel.
It's Hurley.
And Harper, and welcome to our vlog.
Oh, great. So today
we're going to be like basically vlogging our house, because my house, because it's like boarded up because a hurricane's coming.
And we might go swimming.
We might go swimming,
this video.
and we might dance. Woo! Because we have no school for like three days or 2 days.
No,
and
because including the weekend.
For like a few days, and my birthday is in 2 days. Yay!
So we might vlog that. Actually, you can
Yeah.
go check out my channel, and then maybe I'll vlog that. Also,
Wait, will you be here?
I don't know.
Because like the hurricane's coming, and
Hopefully. Yeah, that's what we're just
it happened not last year, but the year before. A hurricane hit my birthday, and we had to go to this place we have in Austin, and we had my birthday there because we couldn't go home.
Yeah.
So
And their house flooded.
yeah,
I'm actually so glad that they went, because there was like the last time we saw it, we literally cause all of our people, like everyone wanted to see it, all the kids, so someone had to carry us in, because it was like literally swimming level, like a kiddie pool level.
it was like
Higher.
It was 6 feet high.
It was really high, but once they opened the doors, it kind of drained out, but it was so flooded. So
Like our whole house was teared up. Everything was like floating and all that.
So we're gonna come back when we are.
We will show you my house.
Yeah, we're gonna
when
do
we
a
come back.
tour. Okay, let's go. This is what it's boarded up. Like you can barely even see it. It's really dark outside, kind of.
Yeah,
And we don't really
just
want
kind of late.
Yeah, we don't want to go outside. So as you can see, it's the boards over here.
Like over here, and it's in my room too.
Yeah, so we're gonna go show you that. But yeah, let's go. Face is like so close because it's. I imagine it's really hard to vlog. Let's go. Open the curtains.
See?
As you can see, it's like boarded. You can't really see anything. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a light. Oh, pretty.
Hurley's somewhere right now. I don't know of. I think she's running around. Hello. I'm going to show you outside, but it's kind of dark to see. But we put up everything because like the hurricane. My dad actually had to like nail down our trampoline because last time the hurricane hit. Well, not a hurricane. It was like a tornado, and our other trampoline, our other trampoline bent, so we had to like take the net off and stuff, and it was like really old and rusty, so we gave it away and got a new one. What are you doing? She's going bonkers in the head. Okay, we're going to show you outside real quick.
I have no food. I need food.
Like everything's put up except the big table. Everything's put up. Like all over here, all the chairs, everything by the fireplace. So I'll show you over here next. As you can see, we put up everything. It's really dark, but you can kind of see. We used to put our trampoline right here, but my dad had to put it up.
Yeah.
Our trampoline, it's like flipped over.
Hopefully you can see it.
You can kind of see it. Oh,
Oh, and I'm
shine
using
light.
my phone.
Yeah, she's
Great
using
lighting,
her
guys.
phone. Yeah, great lighting. Woo!
Okay, let's go.
Okay, we're walking.
I'm scared.
Oh my gosh, when I step on.
Okay, let's go.
My friend is chasing my dog.
Yeah.
Hurley's like going to the restroom or washing her hands or something. She's like going out of town, maybe, I think, like into Houston at a hotel, because her house is like an apartment, and if they stayed there, they would have like no power. Hi.
Okay. I turned this way, but I want to do something. No.
She is a ding dong, so don't listen to her. Got it?
Okay. Let's redo that. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, we're back. So, sorry, I'm getting distracted. She's gonna eat a chocolate bar in front of the video.
I'm not gonna eat it all.
Sorry if we make y'all hungry. That's just what's happening in a video. I feel like I'm sunburned. Does it look sunburned on me, guys?
I look somewhere.
She does. Okay, So basically, what we might do is we might show like that we're stuck up in fans, like just
Yeah, because like hurricanes coming, we can't do anything. We would have to stay at home. I would have to stay at home for my birthday. I'm hoping that my elves will come like last year. Because my birthday's not in December, and
You have birthday? You have a birthday elf?
no, last year my elves came to visit me for my birthday. Okay, we're going to video our food supply.
Does this look creepy?
Okay, we are going to show. Here, we have the.
Let's go. Please.
This is.
Oh crap. So it's not focusing. I'm sorry about
We
that.
have like. We have a whole thing of.
Okay, so
popsicles.
sorry it's not move. We have a whole. Oh, there's
I'm
a
so
Harper.
sorry, Dixie.
Oh, there's a Dixie. And then there's food. Oh my gosh, I'm mad. It's not focusing. Okay. Down food. More food.
Here.
Chips. Don't stop it. And then more food.
We might go ask my mom if we can swim because it's kind of late. But if we can, we will put on my pool lights and we will video us dancing. Woo!
Oh, guys, also, we forget to mention in the video, go follow my TikTok. I'll edit it in somewhere.
I'm about to get my phone, which I can set up my TikTok account, and y'all, when I do that, I will video that, and I'll video my birthday if I can. And I will video me setting up my channel. I mean, like my own YouTube channel and my TikTok account. So,
I'm also gonna tell you this.
and y'all can follow me.
When that sounded like,
It sounded like my tooth broke, but it didn't.
okay, so she's gonna go tell her mom, I'm gonna talk to you about some things. Guys, my goal is for this year in 2021, I'm trying to get to at least $1,000 followers, like just at least 1,000 followers. So Dixie keeps looking at me. I'm not. It's scary. Okay, let me show you. She looks at me. Oh, she was just doing it. See, she's
Okay, my mom said maybe tomorrow, so we might vlog tomorrow because it's like way too late.
It's only like.
I know.
It's only like. I'll show
It's
you.
my mom's rules.
It's only 8:58. We went swimming at 12 once.
But we do have a schedule.
Sorry, this is like a weird thing, but I
Okay.
have it. But here, I'm gonna. Oh God, can I show you my password? She just tripped. Okay, this is my back screen. I don't know what it means. I have a lot of apps. Oh, and guys, if you want to add us on Roblox, you can.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So mine's Cat Dog Cat 2683. Hers is.
What time you gonna get up, AJ? I'll be up at 6 o'clock. Wait, how you know that?
Okay, guys.
Wait, what?
Okay, guys.
Thank you for watching.
And make sure you like, subscribe,
And turn on those post notifications.
Harper,
And Harley.